Okay, so this is the Draft Stopper by Everlasting Comfort, something that we drastically need. Look at what it blocks out.
Dust, sound, odors.
Take all these out, right? And we're gonna take this out.
Hey, we're gonna go to school with my sister.
Okay.
We're gonna go to school with my sister.
Pretty cool. This is microfiber. It's a pretty strong material.
Yeah, so
Velcro.
it should be okay if it gets wet and stuff.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Alright.
Hey, don't shoot it.
So our door is,
You just want to share.
max size basically.
Right.
So we're gonna fill it up.
Wait, this one.
We just fill them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm reporting you.
And then this part, does it fold that way or this way? Do you know?
So let's.
Probably the
Okay.
bottom.
So cover, adjustable Velcro,
Play school. Hey,
Opening
you,
fold.
let's play school. We're gonna play school.
door.
Okay. Move, Louie, move. Let's see if that works.
No.
Okay, so our door had kind of a lip here, but how awesome this thing is it actually was able to, I just kind of adjusted it slightly, and we were able to slide it on, and it is snug as a glove. It fits absolutely beautiful. I can fix that.
Well, if we like put a little slit there.
Yeah. But that is pretty awesome. I can already tell it's going to be a nice sealant. Who knows? Maybe it'll block out water too.
Cause look we have this little, area.
Yeah, we needed this badly.
It might help.
Yeah, yeah. Is that still wet too?
I don't know.
So highly, highly recommend.